Hello everyone, welcome to Cherokee Lockpicking. Well, today I have a challenge lock in the vise, and this is from Jason Carlson. And it's called Tritium. Here's the bitting on the key. It's a Yale keyway. Key doesn't look too bad, but the lock is very hateful. Okay, let's see if we can get in here. I don't think I've picked this lock yet. So, let's see if I can get into it. See what I can feel. I don't know if this is the pick I should use or not. Okay, I got a little nudge, I think, out of number 2. And a little click out of 1. Stick with this one a while, huh? Trying to stay up on that ledge, but it doesn't always happen. Okay. I think that one is talking to me, but I think a little click off of it. Okay. I think this right there, but got that little click there. Well, slowly. Maybe we'll get somewhere. Something's got to break loose here pretty quick. Dang, what you got in here, Jason? Yeah, I think I got a little turn on the core from number 4. Well, getting a little bit more. Number 5 needs to go home, but can't get it to do anything. Going there with a deeper hook. See if I can get something budged. I can get up on that shell. Right there. Okay, I got one to settle in. Got a little turn on the core. Guess I slid off of a pin that made that noise. It was weird. There's one thing about these. Oh, here we go. Got it. Wow, that was a fight. 7 minutes. Man. Shoot. That was a tough one, Jason. There it is, guys. I'm gonna lock it up. I got the key. Okay, let's get a pinning tray and get this guy open. That was a tough one. Had to just inch your way through it till you find your break. I never did look up, see what tritium means. If anybody knows, leave it in the comments. Tritium. Jason always comes up with some strange names. I miss you, Jason. I wish you were picking. I know you're busy right now, but well, that key, there's got to be some stuff going on in there. Key don't want to go in. Okay, let's see here. Make sure I get it in the right spot. That's sliding in pretty good. I love these shims from Sparrows for these challenge locks. Really are nice. Now, let's try this one here. Very good. Yeah, there's some magic going on in there. Yeah, I can see some threading already. Let's see if I get these out. Come on now. Yeah, just as I suspected, there was 3. I knew it. Okay, 1's threaded, 2 is undercut, looks like. Is it undercut? or wallowed out. Let me get my penny glasses on. Never think to do it till then. Yeah, this has been hollowed, I don't know how you'd say it, made a lot bigger. I want to say wallowed, hollowed out. I can see that there's a, oh, I can see, yeah, I can see a ledge down in there. Okay, so 1, 3, 4, and 5 are all threaded. And then number 2 is a lot bigger hole. And number 6 got a little lip in there too, undercut. Okay, very nice, Jason. Let's see what you got in here. Take this guy out. Ooh, that's a nice one. It's got a lot of deep serrations in it. That's the spring. 1, 2. Wow, that's pretty. Okay, this got to be a T-pin because there's a hat right there. Yep, oh, I don't know, maybe a broken half. Looks like a spool that may have broken half. I don't know, maybe made it that way. But it looks like a spool that snapped. Interesting. Wish we could ask him. Okay, maybe there's somebody else that's picked this lock and knows, huh? Have to look it up. Wow. Well, that's a pin and pin, and boy, I'm gonna take it apart. That one is long. No wonder it was a stinker to pick. And a steel spring there. Look at this guy. Take him apart so you can see. It's like a nail. One spring. There you are. That one's totally different. And let's see here. Boy. If I can get that spring out, I see it. Stuck in there. Here it comes. Here we go. That's a nice big one too. And inside here, interesting. Almost look like it was threaded, but it's not. Must be just from when they machined it. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna put this up here like this. So I can zoom in and see these wild pins. If I can move this a little bit, you can see them better. Yeah, that's not working out too hot. Gotta turn this sideways, I think. There we go. Yeah, let's try to get in a little closer. There we go. Okay, number 1 key pin is standard. And a nice driver on top with 3 deep serrations. A nice big old long copper spring. Number 2 is standard. And this is one heck of a driver. See if I can get this up close for those of you that are interested in seeing it. There we go. It's focused in pretty good. It's pretty handy work, huh? Yeah, the number 3 key pin has three deep serrations in it. Now this one here, I think personally that it broke in half. Now, does it looked like it was a spool and it was just cut, serrated so deep that it broke in half. I'm going to put it back in there that, you know, the way it should be, but I don't know. I'm going to look in somebody else's channel, see if somebody's picked it. Okay, the 4th key pin is standard, and the driver has almost looks like it started out like a barrel pin, but it's got some deep serrations in it. Pretty fancy work. Number 5 standard pin, and this spool up here, the driver, it's got a lot of deep cuts and serrations in it. Number 6 is a standard pin, and the driver is a pin, 2-piece, pin and pin, which would have come around this way so that the serrations come in to play. And there's a steel spring on the last, number 6. Okay folks, anyways, that is from Jason Carlson, Tritium, and thank you for joining me, guys. Hope you have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.